Hey guys, it has been a while and welcome to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to achieve those flamingo nails. Start off with a white base and then add a top gel. Don't cure the top gel yet and choose two colors. Mix them with a bit of top gel to get a jelly color. In this tutorial, I'm working with gel. If you don't have any gel, you can do this with nail polish, just leave out the huge stones. Now go in with the thinned down shades and also use the normal shades to give some highlights like shown. If you're interested in any of those products from Miss You Beauty, I have a 10% off coupon code for you, which is KIRA10. When you're happy with your design, cure it and then go in with some jeweler gel. I'm using mine from Miss You Beauty. I got my stones from the 100 yen shop in Japan, but I'm sure you can find similar stones in many shops. This is the only part which is hard if you work with nail polish, so I would suggest to skip this. Anyways, let's add some top gel and then some tiny gold studs. Seal this in with a top gel and we're ready for the next design. Using the same two colors of the first design, we're creating some flamingos. Basically, you're drawing a 2 and then fill it in like shown. Then add a beak and an eye on each flamingo. Finish off with a top gel. So here's the finished design, and I think it's so easy to do, but it doesn't look like it was easy to do, if you know what I mean. And it's perfect for summer, so I hope you give it a try. If you do, please tag me on Instagram, which is @kirakiranail, and have a wonderful summer. Bye guys!